This video will teach you how to use Anvi Folder Locker to password protect folders and files on Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7 and other Windows editions. Owner or developer of this software has abandoned it since long, and the official website of Anvi Folder is down as well, but Anvi Folder Locker is still available on download websites. This paid folder lock software can be used for free, with a few drawbacks. There are two major drawbacks of using Anvi Folder Locker. Anvi Folder Locker has been abandoned by its owner, and this is why this folder locker does not get updates. Do not use it if you are not good at remembering passwords. There is no active support team. Once you forgot your master password, there is no way to reset the password. It cannot be uninstalled via programs and features, without entering master password, though it can be uninstalled via any third-party software uninstaller, but you can still not open or access password-protected files or folders, even you uninstalled it. Download and install Anvi Folder Locker. Visit softsuggester.com to download Anvi Folder Locker. You may find the download link in video description. On first boot, it will ask for choosing a master password and a recovery email address, which is useless. Recovery email will not help you reset forgotten passwords. You will need to enter the master password whenever you will open Anvi Folder Locker. It will not open up without the master password. Click OK. Click this blue button to open a file or folder you want to hide, lock or password protect. We'll open this folder. Anvi Folder Locker offers 5 protection methods, and you need to choose hide, lock, read only, hide and lock and password protected. All of 5 methods do not let move and deleted protected files and folders. Password protected files and folders cannot be opened or accessed without entering correct password. We'll choose the password method. If you want to use your master password to this folder, then leave everything default and click OK. Otherwise, tick mark custom password to set a separate password. Confirm password. Set a password hint if you like. Click OK. As you can see, it's asking for password to open this folder. You have 3 ways to remove password and other protection methods. This on/off radio button swiftly removes protection from all added files or folders with one go. Choose Unprotected option from drop-down menu. It's now unlocked and visible. Check mark a file or folder you want to unlock. Click Remove to unlock. You can check mark Select All option to unlock all files and folders at once. Team Software Geek hope today's software has been informative and useful to you. Please do use the comments section if we could not explain anything properly, or if you run into any problem. Team Software Geek will try to help you. You can use the comments section for questions, feedback, ideas and suggestions to improve Software Geek.
More info and download links can be found on softsuggester.com. Subscribe to Software Geek for more useful videos, and ring bell button for the latest updates. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you find it useful, please do share on Twitter, Facebook etc.